Introducing the 2018 Skoda Octavia 1.0TSI 115B horsepower combi style automatic. With a sleek gray exterior and packed with top-notch features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and parking assistance, this estate car is perfect for any journey. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The luxury trim and chrome package add a touch of class to the interior, while the tinted windows and roof rails enhance its stylish appearance. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.